got it before I get it. You got everything in it? They like, what you doing to me? I'm just trying to see how you eat, bro, player.
You took it out.
Yeah. Oh, look at, yeah, see? It's a muscle. Hey, Birdie. So that's your doing right there, player? All those openings? All these openings right here? That's you eating all that stuff. You got that good stuff. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you, buddy. Oh, wait.
I got it and pulled it out.
Huh?
Got it and pulled it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can.
That looked good, too. He said that was a toad or a frog. He said, I know where they at.